Hey everybody, it's Tina here, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to convert speech into text with a free tool from Google Docs. It's a cool tool, but the only thing is you have to have a microphone enabled for this to convert your speech into text. If you don't have a microphone, it won't work, folks. So, what the first step you need to do is to search. Go up here and put Google Docs. Press enter. Wait for it to load. Go over here. Click on Google Docs free online documents. Go here to go to Google Docs. And then you go over here to blank. Now, folks, when you are converting speech into text, you have to speak a little slower than normal because it might not pick up all your words, but it's still great and it does your correct spelling. So, go to Tools, put Voice Typing. Right here you see this little microphone. Click here. Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an awesome day. This is a tutorial on Google Docs, how to convert speech into text. I am showing a step-by-step instruction video on how Google Docs works. And see, it works, folks. See, it's typing. But if you like this video, and it's going to help you in your business, offline, online, great tool. It's free. We all love free things, right? But this is an easy way to convert speech into text. Now, when you're done, all you have to do is just click here. Oh, first, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a big thumbs up. All you do is click over here, and this is what I do, is I just copy what I wrote. I read it, then I just copy it, and then I take it wherever I want to and paste it into my document or my description on YouTube. Now, this has helped me in my SEO on YouTube, because I don't know, somehow Google knows when you use their tools for things, for YouTube. Because Google owns YouTube, so they love it when you use their products. It helps a little tiny bit in your SEO. A lot of people don't know that. So, if that helped you some, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on that bell for notification, so you can learn more about YouTube, because my channel's all about YouTube, what's happening, and what's going on in this world today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, folks.